Hello family, members of the squad. This is an update about Prince Harry's court case against Home Office, which will proceed today at the Royal Court of Justice in London. It has been confirmed by us, members of the squad. So, ladies and gentlemen, I am sincerely hoping that Prince Harry wins his court case against Home Office and ensure that he gets security, police protection for himself and his family while in the UK. Now, members of the squad, as we all know, Prince Harry is bringing legal action against the Home Office over his decision not to allow him to pay for police protection for himself and his family while in the UK. You've all heard my views, members of the squad. I've already talked to you about this. With all these threats that have been happening to Prince Harry and Meghan, they need security. Just a few days ago, I reported about the Met Police officers hurling racial abuse towards Meghan. And members of the squad, there has been so many abusive comments and even death threats made towards Prince Harry and Meghan, even on TV, by people working for GB Propaganda News, friends of Prince Charles and Camilla, the likes of Eamon Holmes, who hurled a death threat towards Prince Harry and Meghan. With all these threats, Harry has a right. He has every single right to get security, to be able to be allowed to pay for his own police protection, members of the squad. You know, in my life, never have I seen a government reject money being offered by someone until this moment. I've never ever seen it before. Never ever seen a government reject money in my lifetime. Never. Until what I'm seeing right now. I mean, the government is rejecting Prince Harry's money. Prince Harry's offer to pay for his own police protection for himself and his family while in the UK, to pay for it from his own pocket, not the taxpayer. I have never seen in my entire life a government rejecting money. Never, ever, members of the squad. And I'm sincerely hoping that Prince Harry, wins this court case. Now, Prince Harry's lawyers are expected to ask Mr. Justice Swift to grant permission for a full judicial review of the decision regarding his security. Now, if today's application is successful, the Duke will be allowed to argue his case at the High Court, members of the squad. Now, Prince Harry lost his taxpayer-funded police protection after he and Meghan stepped down as senior members of the royal family. Now, Prince Harry pleaded with members of the royal family that he wanted to pay for his security. Now, even Prince Harry's office in January claimed that Harry had offered in January 2020 to personally pay for the police protection needed for himself and his family, but the offer was dismissed by the royal family and also by the government. And you know my feelings about this. I mean, there is no way the government will deny a prince of the UK, the son of the future king of England, the brother to the future king of England, the ability to pay for his own police protection without receiving a phone call from senior courtiers, the firm itself, composed of the Queen, Prince Charles, and Prince William. There is no way possible that could ever possibly happen. Absolutely no way. Now, members of the squad, the Duke, whom the statement argued his security detail in the US cannot offer the same level of protection when he's in the UK, as they cannot carry guns on British soil. He said this: his goal has always been to ensure the safety of himself and his family while in the UK, so his children can also get to know his home country, that Archie and Elizabeth Diana can also get to know his home country. And I think that's okay. That's okay. And I sincerely hope that Prince Harry can be able to get this security that he needs while he's in the UK. He needs security. After all what the media has done, after that, what the tabloid media has done to Prince Harry and Meghan, owned by Rupert Murdoch, the Rothmans, after what they have done to Prince Harry and Meghan, Prince Harry and Meghan, without a shadow of a doubt, both deserve to have security. And they're offering to pay for that security. The only reason why you would ever deny someone the ability to pay for their own security is because you want clearly for someone to cause them harm. That's the only reason. You know, it is at this point that we are learning many things. I mean, after the late Princess Diana's death, we were told, hey, look, Diana did not want any security from the royal family, the Met Police. We were told of those stories. The way that I'm seeing Prince Harry right now fighting to protect his family, ensure the safety of his wife and children, truly makes me so happy as a fan to see him fight so violently against the system, against the farm itself, composed of members of his own family, his extended family. He's trying just to protect his wife and children. This man, Prince Harry, is a good man. And day in, day out, he confirms that to the entire world. And I am starting to doubt if Princess Diana really denied security provided by the police and the royal family. I am starting to question if that was even true. I am starting to question. Why am I questioning this? I'm questioning this because of what is currently happening to Prince Harry right now. The late Princess Diana's son, who was chased to her death by paparazzi. The late Princess Diana, who suffered at the hands of a racist UK tabloid media, currently harassing and hurling racial abuse towards Meghan and abusing her son Prince Harry. The late Princess Diana went through so much at the hands of the UK tabloids. She even wanted to leave the UK. We've learned that from her brother, Al Spencer, that Diana wanted to leave the UK, wanted a life somewhere else, in America, elsewhere. But she couldn't do that because she had 2 kids. Prince Harry, unfortunately, the other one called his own late mother, paranoid, a mother who was chased to her death by paparazzi, members of the squad. Unfortunately, the other one clearly took after Prince Charles 100%. And right now, when I'm seeing what's happening right now, how Prince Harry is fighting for security, and he has to go through all this process just to make sure that his wife and children are safe while in the UK, makes me question if the late Princess Diana really asked or did not want to have Met Police security or even security provided by the royal family, the royal protection officers. I am questioning that 100% because of what is currently happening to Prince Harry right now. Now, members of the squad, during a preliminary hearing in March, during which the judge ruled that parts of the court documents in the case should remain private, Robert Palmer, the Queen's Chancellor for the Home Office, said in a recent submissions, Harry's offer to privately fund police protection was irrelevant and that personal protective security by the police is not available for hire. Those are lies. Those are lies. Any single person who wants to have security, wants to be escorted by security, by police, they can easily acquire police protection in the UK. Simply pay and you're provided with that security, police protection. All you need to do is pay for it. But right now, orders from the farm, these are orders coming in from the farm to the government not to provide Prince Harry, Meghan security. You know, Meghan pleaded with the royal family, please, I know you don't care about me, I know you don't care about Archie, but please, just let my husband keep his security. The royal family still said no. Prince Harry was born with these risks. He is the son of the future King of England. Whether they like it or not, they have to ensure his safety. Members of the squad, they have to ensure his safety. And I'm sincerely hoping that the judge in this court case, after everything that has happened to Prince Harry, after what the media is doing currently, the incitement of hate, the bullying, the abuse, the harassment. You know, Prince Harry said this, that, you know, when he came to the UK for the Diana statue unveiling, he was chased after by photographers. Didn't they learn anything when they chased Harry's mother to her death? Clearly, they never learned anything, members of the squad. And that's why I sincerely hope that the judge in this case rules in favor of Prince Harry. Because Prince Harry is doing what is right, doing everything in his power to just keep his wife and children safe, like any single husband, like any single father should do. And may God bless Prince Harry's remarkable heart. Prince Harry is a good man with a good heart. And day in, day out, members of the squad, I believe that each and every single one of you can see that with your own 2 eyes. What he's doing. Do you see why the tabloid media hate Prince Harry? because they have called upon him to abandon his wife and children, to come back to the UK to follow Prince William around, to be miserable in his life. They demand that Harry becomes miserable. That's what they want from Harry, for him to be miserable, to prop up Prince William and Kate Middleton. That's what they want to do. And time again, this is it. Harry has his own priorities. Life is not about, surviving. It's about thriving. And Harry has chosen to thrive. It's about being happy. And Harry has chosen happiness. Not taking abuse from tabloid media to please the Cambridges, to please Kate Middleton and Prince William, to make them happy, to do PR for them. No. To work so that Kate and William can take credit. No, and no. May God bless Prince Harry and Meghan, the Duke and Duchess of Sussex. They are good people with good hearts, and Harry is a great husband and a great father. With his actions, he clearly shows that to all of us and to the entire world, because make no mistake, the entire world is watching exactly how they are treating the late Princess Diana's son. Think about this. When Princess Diana lost her life after that tragic car accident, the media said, never again, never again. The public said, never again. We are going to look after Princess Diana's kids. That's what the public said. Never again. But then after Prince Harry got married to a mixed-race woman, what happened? They vilified his wife. When Harry found happiness, true happiness in his life, what did they want to do? They wanted to destroy his wife. That was the goal. To abuse her. They even almost drove her to take her own life. And forever, I'll be glad that Prince Harry and Meghan valued their mental health enough to pack up and leave. And now they live out their happily ever after in Montecito, California, with their two remarkable kids, Archie and Lilibet Diana. And may God bless them so much. May God bless Prince Harry, Meghan, Archie, Doria, and Lilibet Diana. They are good people. And Prince Harry, I want you to know this. You are a good man with a good heart. You are a good man with a good heart. You are a good man with a good heart, a good father, a good husband. And your actions today are showing the entire world. We are here. We see you, Harry. We see you, Harry. We see what you're doing for your family. And we deeply admire your actions. We deeply admire what you're doing. And I sincerely hope that the court rules in your favor. You're able to get security to protect your family, to protect your wife and children while you're in the UK, to get your armed security. With that and so much more. Stay tuned to our next video. I'll give you more updates about the court case as soon as I receive them, members of the squad. More updates. The case continues today. As soon as I have an update for you, I will release it to you. And with that and so much more, stay tuned to our next video. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for daily and consistent content, keyword daily and consistent. And stay tuned to our next video. Love your family always and forever. Hello, members of Zesco Family TV. First of all, I want to say thank you for all your support that you give us to our channel. We don't take it for granted that you support this channel. I want to say thank you from the bottom of our hearts for lending out your support and fighting against injustices, supporting Prince Harry and Meghan, showing them love. Love will always triumph over evil, and for that I say thank you. Good will always prevail over bad. Thank you so much for all your support. Thank you so much for joining this community, this amazing community of Zesco Family TV. I love you so much, family, from the bottom of my heart, and I wish you all the best. May you have a great day, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and learned a lot of things. With that and so much more, stay tuned to our next video. Leave a comment below, like and subscribe. Love you, family, always and forever. Sayonara.